Hey guys, Mr. Epic Sax Productions here. Just thought I would make a quick video showing my helmet camera setup, my motovlogging style setup here. Now, a few things going on. Obviously, I'm sure some of you have seen my video regarding GoPro HERO 6. I've got one there. Still on the one from a couple years ago, seems to be working pretty well. I've got my Shoei RFSR right there, my main helmet, of course. I've got the GoPro mic adapter here. I've got a SENA 20S, and I've got a couple other odds and ends sitting here that you might want to see. So here is an old school SENA Backpack. Now that's for a GoPro HERO 4, 3 plus, 4 black, whatever. The generation before it switched over to HERO 5. So I had that on a HERO 4 Silver. I was running that for a little while, but there are a few things about that camera I didn't love, and the 6 is definitely a better camera to use for this kind of stuff, if you have it set up right and if you're willing to pay. A couple things I have lying here. I have a mini USB 10 pin to 3.5mm adapter. That's this guy right here. So this will actually plug into the side of the SENA Backpack. I also have a male TRS 3.5mm to 3.5mm plug. One end will plug into the mic adapter for the GoPro, and the other will plug into the 10-pin adapter that goes into the backpack. Now, I have to give a big credit here to Mr. Jiz Motorsports. He has been experimenting with this stuff, and I think he's found the best solution for a multi-group motovlog using your SENA and a backpack. So, some of you might know the HERO 6 doesn't have the sort of Bluetooth mic capabilities that the previous generations did from 4 down. So you have to run this awkward dongle looking thing directly into the GoPro. I have it mounted right on my helmet here. Yeah, kind of a pain. I've got a regular standard mic mounted in here right now. So that's my solo motovlog mic. I use that just for when I'm running around. I don't want extra wires and cables dangling. And I actually prefer the sound a little bit to the backpack, to be honest. But it's not much of a difference, but you'll probably be able to hear it when I show you. So I'm going to basically see if I can rig up my camera here and show you how this is all set up and plugged in and how it works. Bear with me. Alright, so here guys, I've got another camera set up here. I'm going to try and show you how this all hooks up. So basically, like I was saying, for solo vlogs, I have the standard mic adapter and I have a solo mic routed to one side of my chin pad in here. I just plug that in. Power on the mic by turning on the HERO 6 properly, normally without hitting fast record. Usually works every time. I'd like to give it a quick test just to make sure it's all kosher and good before I actually start vlogging. Now, if I want to go for a group ride and I want to get other people's audio from the SENA with my own as well, well, it's simple. I take this TRS male 3.5 to 3.5 adapter, plug it in, plug this into here. And this just plugs straight into the pairing port on the SENA Backpack, which is awesome. So, well, if I could actually do it, it would work. There you go. So it just pairs like that. Turn the mic off because it has an external mic in here. You don't want to be using that. It'll just double up with your own mic that's in here already from your SENA. You turn it on. You pair with your SENA. Make sure UHD voice mode is enabled, HD voice mode, and you're good. You can control the mic input from the SENA app. How loud you want it, how quiet you want it. I've been playing with it a bit. I've got the mic up to, I think, 9 out of 10 now. I'm just running the button mic that came with the SENA 20S. So I've got a button mic in this side. I've got the GoPro mic that I run for solo vlogs on this side. And I just put this in my jacket pocket. Because anytime you're recording with a 6 anyway, it can't be fully waterproof. So if it were to rain, I wouldn't try and vlog. I would just throw the door back onto the side of the GoPro. And I would just record without audio and just dub over it later. It's one of the big flaws to this camera is you have to run this giant mic adapter, and you can't have it fully waterproof unless you can figure out a way to seal all this off here and here. So anyway, hopefully that helps you guys out. I'll put parts list in the description, and again, big shout out to Jiz Motorsports for playing with all this and figuring this out. I mean, normal SENA Backpack stuff, it goes onto the back of the HERO 4 or 3 even, and it just pairs right onto the back of the camera. This you can run anywhere. You can run as long as it's plugged into the mic adapter. It can be in my pocket. I could even mount it on the side of my helmet. It looks stupid. I could do that if I wanted. Yeah, and this thing will last longer than your GoPro will last. It lasts just as long as my SENA, so no issues there. You know, you bring batteries for the GoPro, you bring a power pack for charging if you're doing a road trip, and you should be good to go with all this stuff. So I will post up a comparison of the solo sound, solo vlog versus multi-vlog with somebody else talking in the Sena and the different mics, so you can hear the difference for yourself. And yeah, if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Appreciate it. It's just for fun for me. Not a professional by any means, but I like to share knowledge when I get it. And again, big shout out to the guys who are trying this stuff, and Jizz Motorsports trying this out and playing with the different adapters and cables. It seems to work, so thank you very much, buddy. Thanks for watching, guys. So right now we are testing the Sena Backpack paired to the powered mic adapter to the GoPro HERO 6. Works for 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Hopefully we can hear this recording right now. Okay, so we have hopefully going through the Sena mic.
Epic Sax Production.
Yeah, hopefully you can hear Mr. Triumph here. Ooh.
Hope you can hear it.
This is where I broke down once on a CB900. So epic. Yeah.
Where we also had an epic drag race.
Yeah, epic.
Why don't you go on the other side of me?
Sure. Epic CB750 Virago drag race. What's that?
See if you can keep up.
Oh yeah. I don't know if this bike can.
Yeah, somehow.
Beautiful day in the mean streets of Surrey. Lots of slow drivers out, as per usual. You know what? That's okay. Better slow than reckless, right? Just heading out to meet up with a buddy. Out after work. Sometimes you just got to go out for a ride after work, and you haven't been out for a while. It's been raining all weekend, so you got to get out even though it's not a weekend. It's nice